Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got a Latest in Beauty monthly subscription to share with you, and this is the Beauty SOS edit for January. It's the box that it comes in. So Latest in Beauty is a monthly UK subscription box, and it comes in 3 different subscriptions. You can either opt for a 3 product box, which will cost you £9 a month, or you can opt for a 6 product box, which is what I've got. That'll cost you £15 a month, or a 9 product box that'll cost you £18. You are able to go from one to the other if you want to, as long as you change before your payment due date is due. Then you're able to go down a size or up a size, depending on what you want to do for that month. Now they come out with an edit once a month, so you at the start of the month you will get to see in a blog post all the products that they'll be featuring over the month. They are not released all at the same time. They're released one a day all throughout the month. Some months are better than others, as with all subscription boxes, but there's always something on there. There's a huge list of products to go through, plus they don't only just upload the items from the edits, they do have previous items on there as well. So say for instance, I know for me, one of the items inside this box, I've received it now for the last couple of months in every box, so it's still on the website. So as long as it's on there, I'm going to get it every month because it's so handy. You might already know what I'm on about, but if not, I'll show you in a little while. They're always coming out with different deals and money off codes and everything. If I can find any for a discount off a monthly subscription, I'll pop it down below. And also if I can find off if you want to take out a say 12-month subscription or something, sometimes there is massive savings to be had when they bring out these deals. I believe you say £45. I think that might be a deal on at the moment, so I'll pop that down there as well. I think that's it as far as information goes. This is kindly gifted to me. I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list, which I'm really grateful for. So they send me their collection boxes, and they also send me monthly subscription boxes as well. So I've got the middle box, which I said, which is 6 products, and this would cost you £15. You can get them as one-offs if you just want to try one but no commitment to subscription. I believe you can get this one for £22. All the items inside this box I've chosen myself. So let's get on to open it up and showing you what I chose. I just got rid of a load of worms. There. Give you a sneak peek first. So the first item I chose is some supplements, and there's a little leaflet that I got in here as well, so it goes into detail telling me all about it and what it contains and things like that, which is quite handy. So these supplements are Omega-3 Plus by the brand OG Science and Wellbeing. It's a unique formulation containing high quality North Atlantic heron oil and extra virgin olive oil. It is the result of over 30 years of scientific research in Norway, and there's 120 gels in there. I take supplements all the time. I take quite a few different supplements. So when I saw this, I thought, yes, that's definitely going into my basket. So yes, 120. How many do I take a day? I'm assuming it's just one, is it? No, take 4. Woo! Take 4 gels per day. And it's a total of 3,000 milligrams of oil, of which 975 milligrams is omega-3 fatty acids. Right, how big are they then? They are quite big. Can you see? But that's fine. They're fine. The gel capsules, so they go down the throat quite easily with a drink, so that's no problem. So that's the first item I chose. Next is a hair product, and this is by Jo Hansford, London. Expert Colour Care Voluminous Spray. I can't say that word. Volumize, Shine and Protect. And I got 150 mils here. So it's a volumizing spray. That's easier to say, isn't it? Well, I think so. A volumizing spray. So I'm all for things like this. I love Aveda. That's the one I tend to use all the time. I just love it, but I'm all up for trying different ones as well. So when I saw this, I thought, right, I'll give this a go. It not only protects, but also improves the condition of your cuticles. Coupled with our unique Helio Vita Colour Care Complex, this product is a must-have for anyone seeking extra volume and vibrant glossy colour. Apply 4 to 5 sprays to damp hair, comb through and style as desired. So yeah, so there's that. So the next item is the item that I've been receiving for the last couple of months, and they're biodegradable wipes. And this is by the brand M&U. Is it Mum and You? Yeah, Mum and You, and it's 100% biodegradable baby wipes. As gentle as cotton wool and water, suitable for newborns, and we've got 56 in there. I just love them. They're just super handy to have in here more than anywhere, because I like it to wipe off makeup off my hands, any swatches I do, to mop up any spills, any marks on like my shelves and things like that. It's just just handy, handy, handy. 0% plastic, naturally derived and fragrance free, and made with 98% water, which is amazing, which is really good. So if they're there next month, I'm going to be getting them again, because I don't know when they're going to stop stocking them, but I think it's brilliant. So I got more wipes to add to my collection. Then I went for something else for my hair, and this is Charles Worthington London Grow Strong Scalp Tonic, and this is a stimulate hair growth for lasting results in just 4 weeks. Salon at home, and this is 100 mils. Now, when I first spotted this on the Latest in Beauty website, they had, I think it was a conditioner and a shampoo and a treatment as well. And I added them all in readiness to get them, but I just wanted to wait for another couple of days to see what other new products were coming up. But by the time I spotted all the other items I wanted, I went to the basket and those shampoo, conditioner and treatments had gone. Gutted. So I would have had the full selection, but never mind. So it says this lightweight tonic designed for sensitive skin will calm and nourish your scalp, containing stimulating organic pea sprout extract to prolong the hair life cycle, improve overall hair strength in just 4 weeks for the maximum growth. Now, I've got quite thin, fine hair, and I wear like hair extensions in my hair just to thicken it up a little bit. While my hair's shorter, it does look thicker, but I do like to have long hair. But it is super fine, super fine. But I'm taking high strength biotin. It's a spray. I'm taking that at the moment, so I'm hoping that will kick in soon, because these supplements and things, they do take a good while for them to get into your system and start working. Plus, I'm talking hair cycles, so I'm going to have to wait until I see a difference. I think it'll be a while, but I thought that would be quite nice as well to combine with it, just to see if that will do what it says, 4 weeks. So we'll see. So there's that. Then I got something super tiny. It is really small. I wasn't expecting it to be this size. But it's going to be handy if I'm going away or something like that. It's a shampoo, and it's a cube. It's a tiny little cube, and it's by Eve of St. Agnes, and it's a Beauty Cubes shampoo for normal to dry hair, made in Cornwall. There. So super small, 12 grams. If you click actually on the product, it does bring up like a little pop-up, and it shows you the size that you'll be receiving and things, but obviously I didn't even think what 12 grams was, but I thought it would be like a nice bar. Oh, they are literally cubes. Look, they're really small, the little tiny cubes. That is handy then. That is really handy. So you would just use a cube every time you wash your hair. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells lemony. Oh wow, so how many's in there? There's 3. Woo! So it's a sample essentially, isn't it? Well, I'm not sure if you can see. There's 3 cubes in there. They feel like they could be quite crumbly, so I've got to be careful with them. Ooh, now that is unique. That is unique. I will give it a go. I will see what it's like. And then lastly, I got a retinol cream, and this is Z Skin, and this is age-defying retinique, and it contains SPF 45. It's 100% organic skincare, and it says 15 mils there. So I knew it would be like a little tiny sample, but I just wanted to try it, see what it's like. I want to find a really nice retinol to wear at night, and yeah, I don't want to be forking out a lot of money on something that, you know, I don't like, or it's like causes a lot of redness. I know it does. I know retinols do and everything. I used to have, is it tretinoin? I can't say it. Tretinoin. I used to buy it from Turkey, from Amazon, years and years ago when I had really severe acne. It didn't stop the acne, but it controlled the cystic acne that I did have at the time. But it would really dry out my skin, and yeah, it left all nice red skin, which wasn't great. But it did sort of help it. It just is using a small amount daily, applied to clean face to help tighten, lift firm, erase dark marks, scars, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, so those are all my items. I'll just gather them all up. So I've got 6 products in all. I've got a omega-3 supplements, I've got the biodegradable wipes, I've got the hair growth tonic, I've got the volumizing spray for your hair, I've got a retinol cream, I've got shampoo cubes, and that is it, isn't it? Yeah, I think that's it. So 6 products in all. This box will cost you £15 for the subscription, or £22 if you were to get it as a one-off. I'm really happy with the items. I knew what I was getting. I knew the sizes, but the only thing is these cubes. I didn't have a clue. I was expecting it to be like a big bar, but as I said, they're only tiny, but I think that'd be quite handy to have, isn't it, to give it a good go. So no, I'm really happy with the items I got. We'll see what they are like over the next couple of weeks when I give them a good try, but yeah, Really happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts about this subscription. Do you subscribe? Did you pick similar items to me this month, or did you pick other items? All your comments and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.